Uh, how to make money, the Canva. How we hire, we display out of thought and experience in key the create the world best team and the building the tool and increase product. The how to make money, Canva template, Canva design, Canva online and job, offline job, work from home. The Canva join the tail community, the Canva job, Canva live, and Canva dreams. Canva dreams, people earning, marketing, sales and success, options, finance, legal, design, product management, customer happiness, information technology. The location: Australia, New Zealand, United States of America, United Kingdom, China, Austria, Philippines, crazy, and create pathway, landing pad increase. The create hub, how to we hire, or approach experience and accommodation, hire, hiring the FU questions. You can I expert after and apply. Studying after apply, you will receive an email from using the Canva and the template sale, Canva design sale, offline and online sale. The how to freelancer design job work from home, Canva professional design, Canva job work from home. How to earn money from Canva apps and review, Canva and Canva design. How to what is the Canva well you design today is the how to earn money from Canva and online design jobs and the work from home, the freelancer design job work from home, Canva professional design, Canva job work from home. This is the system. This is the how to Canva. Canva is a very easy and simple online design platform. 1 to 5 minutes, any design complete. As like social media design, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, etc., etc. Many more. Same things than the YouTube intro, outro, and YouTube thumbnail, YouTube design, YouTube banner design, YouTube logo, etc., etc. Same things, many more. The lot of design you can start the Canva website. First time the sign up Canva website, your email address, Gmail, Google account, Yahoo, Bing, Microsoft, etc., etc. But you hire how to hire then people with this Canva community. The lot of the trusted marketplace, the online, the earn of Canva. The Canva, the freelancer.com, the Canva job. The Canva is a inclusivity user, the friendly online design the platform that ensure the invoice and individual and business to create the professional quality visual from higher marketing needed by hiring the Canva design expert. The client can be defined from your expertise concern is a custom design and digital banner high skill and the of the visual creative Canva design expert create and design help to business standard from the competition the higher some project and expert Canva design which made is real design the professional materials in advertising campaign video editing for social media and online platform creating the personalization certificate and wires the development engineering visual for the digital course and education matters the the design professional brands flyer and the template and the clarifying the visual application website for login Trump project. The create ebook convert is the layer the design graphics and the image and or the story commerce platform. How to beginning Canva design expert in the freelancer.com client gain the exit and this etc etc. But next and the second position the find the best job on Canva design and work from home. The find the best jobs Canva, the first time the professional on Upwork, Upwork and just can Upwork website, log in your account, run the search and Canva design, Canva social media, lot of offer ourselves in e-commerce companies looking from a product page in the in Canva. You can PowerPoint, a lot of design. Just search your website, the create and social media manager, the skill A and BA, etc. etc. The social media graphic design, create content, and there's a lot of offer in the trusted Upwork. And the next, the fiverr.com, hire the best Canva design expert, find the most template Canva design expert on the Fiverr, beginning his idea is live. And the lot of sailor the presentation, the Fiverr marketplace, the Canva design, who do you our work for is the best of the freelancing, lot of design, the Fiverr guidelines, start online business and work from home, the complete the guidelines, start a small business, the digital marketing made easy to practice, the create a logo and your business, the join the more than 3 million aspirant is this Fiverr marketplace, the graphic design, the very easy and simple, the Canva template design. The trusted, the next marketer, very important, the Indeed.com. Indeed.com is the Canva design. Hire the create and with the experience in Indeed.com. I can presentation the next and jeeprecon.com and nuclear.com and total website there. This is the Canva service. The how to make money, create the earn money, or how to earn money from Canva, online design jobs, work from home freelancer design jobs, work from home Canva professional design, Canva job owner. Thank you, my friend. I am the trusted three market. The freelancer.com is the Canva jobs, and Canva jobs. The find the best Canva jobs, and the hire the best Canva design, and indeed.com. Thank you very much. Best of luck, my friend. I can presentation the Canva design and air market and Fiverr marketplace and Upwork, etc. etc.